Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. In the previous video, we have covered some basics about the Python. Today we'll start with something super important, variables. If variables are clear, half of the Python becomes easier. For running, let's run print name. As we can see, the dark compiler is printed outside and it's shown as dark compiler. Here name is, for example, let's take an age equals to 20 as an integer and CGPA equals to 8.8. Let's print out them. Mm, and let it be down. Okay, then let's print it. As we can see that wage and CGPA is shown as an output and it is stored under age, and the value of A20 is stored. About variables, what a variable actually is. We can store numbers, text, decimals and many other data types of values. And let's see how to use them in Python. Let's start with print. Start with print your age is and the variable name age, and let's print it out and let's change it to age. Okay, PA, and your CGPA is and variable name CGPA, and let's print it out. Here we can see your age is 20 and your CGPA is 8.8. Here shown is an output. So by this way we can use variables in Python. Age equals to 21. In this time, imagine changing the values in one place instead of changing it everywhere in the program. Let's take the values in one place instead of change it everywhere in the program. Let's age equals 21. Let's print out age. Here age is 21 and age 20. Let's see about naming rules in Python. Variable name should describe what they store. For example, age equals 21. It describes the age of a person. Age equals to 20. It describes the age of a student. Let's another example. Student name. Let the student name be John. And another is like let he have. So here student name is a variable which stores the student name of a person John. Its variable name is should describe what they store, and variable name should describe what they store. X equals to he got a marks 95, and let his phone number be starting with 1 and ends with 0. It makes easier for me, and let's print out them. Let's copy and paste and change the variable name from student name to marks and student name to phone number, so that the numbers will be printed out and not valid in Python, and these are not valid in Python. Let's have one name equals to instance. Bro, it's not in. Bro, it was wrong. Or semicolons. What the fuck? Because it's, and if you try to run it, it will gives an error. Include invalid decimal iterative, because decimal number shouldn't be starred, and here we can change it. Now it runs very well. And next example, we can't use keywords as a variable names. For example, class equals to 6789. Here also gives invalid syntax because class is a keyword. Talk about dynamic typing. Let's x if even though x is int, it prints 10, and x is like a string, and it will give us a output as Python. Let's let's clear this out so that output will be clear. You same output. It is good that we have running Python. And let's now and now and now let's learn about data types. Data types in Python. And now let's learn data types in Python. There are different data types in Python. For example, name equals to Alex. Here, Alex is the data type known as string, which stores different types of characters in it. Age equals to 20, it's an int. A height is equals to 5.9, where it is a float value, and student is true, means he's a student. And to know the type of the value it stores, it shows the type of a in it. Here we can see the classes are string, int, float, and boolean. Bool, which means boolean, it shows true and false in Python. And see here we are using the variable names correctly as name Alex and age equals 20, student is true, and make sure you should also use them as correctly. Let's write an intro of a student by taking his details. The name of the student is star compiler, and his age is 22, and his height is 6.2, and his language is Python. To paint this all in one sentence, your hello hello everyone hello everyone, my name is dash, and my and I am and I was dash years old. We are using dot format function to give the variable names in it. Let's name age and height and known language. Known language is not good, showing an error. Error. Let's clear it out and write it again. Known language. Let's give it gap. First type to print multi outputs. We can we have dark compiler and age 22 and 6.2 and print Python. Let's quickly change into computer language. Just give a gap so that the Python will shown as good and we can run it later. Let's see another type. It is a famous type and it's the second type to run it. It's the second type to print multiple outputs. Let's print it out. See, we can see the both shows the same thing, but second has some more grammar as compared to the first one, and both can be used. So that's it guys, variables in Python.